Train number 3 of KCS. Hey, shaving haircut. Nice. Nice. Shaving a haircut from Kansas City Southern. Let's go. Let's go. Got a shaving a haircut from Kansas City Southern. Let's go. I wasn't expecting that, but hey, I'll take it. I wasn't expecting KCS to give me a shave and a haircut, but hey, I'll take it. That was cool. That was cool. I see the end of him already.
However you guys want to do it, if you want to get three stuff together, take it off, do it like that. If not, let them know when you're cut away.
Hey! Got an old Burlington Northern car right there. Nice. Like an old Burlington Northern, like maybe trash hopper. I think that's what that is. I think that's what that was. Actually, was a trash hopper. And there's the end right down there. For some reason, it's just a random auto rack at the end. For some apparent reason, don't know why, but literally one auto rack at the end of this KCS train. And that auto rack is a Canadian Pacific auto rack. I realized I haven't been doing my cheer recently. I'm probably not gonna do it today, but I'll probably do it next week. There goes the end of train number 3 of today in Metairie. Kansas City Southern Local. I'm assuming LL60, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. I don't know if it's L60 or if it's LL60, but whichever one it is, it's a Kansas City Southern Local. Train number 3 of today in Metairie with a shave and a haircut horn show. Hope y'all enjoy.